Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm in my front garden and it's actually a pot garden, and I'm going to talk to you about Crocosmia. Crocosmia flowers late summer to early autumn, so it gives you a pop of colour late in the summer, late in the season, which is really lovely when other things are waning. This year it's actually flowered earlier. It's now the 1st of July. I think it's because we've had a heat wave. Now, Crocosmia is also known as Mombretia. It's native to South Africa and it likes full sun, and it likes a good soil, fertile soil, moist but well drained. So don't plant it in heavy clay or dry soil. Crocosmia doesn't like to be too dry in the summer. So if we have a hot, dry summer, make sure you water it. It has an arching habit, so it's best for front of the border. They might tolerate light shade, but in my experience, they flower better. You get more flowers in a sunny position. So plant them in a sunny position at the front of a border. They grow from a corm, which is like a bulb. You plant the corms in the spring. Unlike spring flowering bulbs, which are planted in the autumn, Crocosmia corms are planted in the spring. If you're buying container-grown Crocosmia, you want to plant them in the autumn or the spring. Now, when they've flowered, cut back the flowered stalk and leave the foliage to die back naturally as you would bulbs. In my front garden, I've got Crocosmia growing with hydrangea. It's flowering at the same time. And this hydrangea I pruned in the spring and it's looking lovely. It's a sort of deep pinky red and it's really pretty. I've also got fuchsia, which flowers now, July, into the autumn. So all these plants will stay flowering at the same time. Really pretty fuchsia. And I've just got a pot of busy lizzies. So all of this will keep flowering into the autumn to give you some late season colour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.